Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG with Bridgecom Systems, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to use the Airband Receive on your 578UVIII+. So it's really pretty simple. We just need to gather a little bit of information first, like the frequency. Now, why would you want to use Airband Receive? Oftentimes, if you live in an area with an airport nearby, or you have a lot of air traffic, it's really cool to be able to listen to what they're saying. So let's see how it works. First thing we're going to do is power on the radio, make sure we're connected to an antenna, and from there I'm going to go to Menu, and we'll scroll down to Settings, and then Radio Set at the top, and Other Function. Awesome. Now at this point we're going to scroll down until we see AM, Air/FM. Go ahead and click on that, and we're going to change this to either A or B. Now that's going to be either your VFO-A or your VFO-B. And so I'm going to select A. Perfect, just like that. So now that we have our Airband Receive turned on, most likely you're going to see that light and we're going to hear some sort of background noise. Now if you're not hearing air traffic, probably you're going to want to turn up your squelch to get rid of that noise. So to do that, we're going to go down here to AM squelch level. And I recommend setting this to AM squelch level 2. Now definitely play around with this. Depending on your location, that may be different. But for this application, it seems to work well. Awesome. So at that point, we are ready to listen.
Well, we're kind of wide, but visual for 19 left. We're laying on 19 left on board 3560.
So now that we have it all set up, you might be wondering it's somewhat difficult to go in the menus to turn it on and off each time, right? Well, there's a simple solution. We can actually program it onto a button on the front of the radio, so all we have to do is hit that button to cycle it on and off. So let's go back into the menu here. We're going to go to Settings, and at this point we can go to, let's see, Radio Set, and we're going to go to Key Function this time. And after that, let's see, what key do we want to make it? So we have the options of all these keys. I'm going to make it P4. That'll be easy. Now, short means you just have to press it once, which is what you'll want to do for this. So we're going to scroll down to FM radio. Now you think, well, that's FM radio, not AM, right? Well, it actually will work for that too. So there we go. That simple. We've added it to our keys. So now if we press this P4 button, it's going to cycle through the different options. So it's off. Now we can press this, FM mode, AM Air A, AM Air B, and then off. So it just cycles through the different options there. Super simple. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it to make sure you don't miss out on any more great content. That's all I have for you today. I'm Cody W3AMG 73.